Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel with homemade recipe in Belgium. Today I will show you how to make the delicious, the easy, simple and still on the budget, the bacon recipe. Before this video start, please subscribe, like and share. All the feedback, those are welcome. Thank you for watching. Now I will show you all the ingredients. The ingredients is the bacon. I'm holiday, still on the holiday, Easter holiday in Germany, so I use the bacon, the type of bacon like this, but you can use any type of bacon you like. This bacon, this 600 grams of bacon. Then this, the bacon, little bit salt. Please use the iodium salt because this more healthy. It's good for your health. And 2 pieces of garlic like this, and little bit chicken flavor. And this I put it in the bottle like this, the plastic bottle. This soya sauce. This is sweet soya sauce. And little bit olive oil. Well, this. Put the garlic first. Okay. Now, roast the garlic first. Like this. And now don't forget to wash the bacon before you use it. Now got the bacon. This now olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Okay. And little bit salt, iodium salt, like this. Just very little. Okay, little bit. Because this type of salt is more healthy. And little bit sweet soya sauce. Okay. Chicken flavor. Just like this, and like this, and then mix it. Look. make sure all the flavor mix together. It was so important to make the flavor so delicious. Okay, and before you fry it, need to leave this marinate from 10 until 15 minutes. Okay, now all the flavor mix. Okay, wait 10 until 15 minutes. What you think about my recipe today? Please give me a feedback and on the comment column, and please subscribe, like and share. Hopefully you enjoyed my video today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone, and please take a look to my other video or to my playlist, and hopefully to see you again on my next video. Bye for now. Bye bye. Delicious. You must try it at home. for watching. Bye bye.